Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to build a simple Java program that asks the user to enter their age, checks if they are eligible to vote, and classify their age into categories like child, teenager, adult, or senior citizen. This is a great project for beginners and it covers important concepts like groups, conditional, and user input. Let's get started. We use the scanner class to capture input from the users. Make sure you add this at the top of your file. We also define a boolean variable again, which we'll use to control whether the user wants to try again after entering their age. The dual starts with 2. This loop will execute at least once and repeat based on the again condition. We're going to declare an integer data type and assign a negative one to it. This job is a placeholder to indicate that no valid age has been entered yet. Now let's ask the user for their age. We'll use a while loop to make sure the user enters a valid non-negative age. If the user enters anything invalid, we'll prompt them to try again. Here we ask the user for their age. We use sc that has not next int to check if the input is a valid integer. If the user enters a negative number or something that isn't a number, we'll keep asking them until we get a valid age. Once we have a valid age, let's check if the user is eligible to vote. If they're 18 or older, they're eligible. If they're younger than 18, they're not. We use an if-else statement to display whether the user is eligible to vote or not. Now let's classify the user into an age group. We'll check if the age falls into different ranges: child from 0 to 12, teenager 13 to 17, adult 18 to 59, or senior citizen to 60 plus. We set a variable age group to store the classification and then display it after checking the conditions. Finally, we ask the user if they want to try again. We use sc.next to get their response. If the user types Y or small letter y, we start the loop. If they type anything else, we exit the loop. We use the equals ignore case method to handle both uppercase and lowercase inputs. If the user types capital Y, the program restarts. Otherwise, it ends. Now, let's take a look at the full program. This is the complete code. It's simple but covers a lot of important concepts like loops, conditionals, and input validation. And there you have it. You now How to create a simple Java program that asks for the user age, checks, voting, and there you have it. You know how to create a simple Java program that asks for the user's age, checks voting eligibility, and classify age groups. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more programming tutorials.